In this video, we're on another episode of Battle of the Pairs, where we check out which pair executes the fastest and which one is more profitable. Yes, we're talking about the Battle of the Pairs. And welcome to Income Strategies, where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Now, we're on Binance, where we're going to first of all get our first half of the funds we need. Now, we're going to be using one coin, but then we're going to pair it with BTC and also going to pair it with USDT. So right now, we want to buy BTC first. So we're currently on BTC USDT. Like I told you, we're going to be using these two separate pairs, and we're going to be using $15 each for each pair. All right. So it's pound BTC and pound USDT. But first, we need to get BTC. So here we have 15 USDT here that we want to change to BTC. Now, the reason why I'm separating it is so that I can see the exact amount that is picked up, and whatever that exact amount is what we're going to use for the USDT pair. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So let's see what we get. What we have here for it's 14.818, okay, and we're going to get 0.00055. All right, let's take our screenshots and let's go ahead and buy. Let's hope we're not in the queue. Oh yes, I guess we've been able to buy it. Good. So what do we have here? We've got 0.005495. So let's check the exact amount that was actually bought, okay? Because that's the amount we are going to buy. We're going to send and transfer back to get our USDT pair. All right, so what we have is 14.804. Okay, 14.804 is what was expended, and that's what we're going to use. Just say 14.8041. Good. So let's go ahead. 14.8041. So what I'm going to do, because I want to make sure that I don't have anything left here, I'm going to transfer that back. Yes, so I'm transferring it back, everything, the max, and then it goes. Good. So now I'm going to go back and transfer 14.818. Well, let me check that again just to be sure, because I don't want to make any mistake. I think it's 14.8041. Yeah, 14.804119. So let's go back and do this transfer quickly. All right. So first off, I'm just going to put in there 14.804119. All right, same amount. Okay, so now we have the same amount here. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to pond. No, first of all, since we already have this here, let's go over to pond BTC. All right, so we're going to check on pond BTC first. Then after that, we will now go ahead and get, our pond USDT bot. So don't forget there are two stages. Don't forget this is a spot trading event, a spot trading race. Okay. So now we're on pond BTC. Let's check what we have here. Let's look at the charts and see. So this is the price. It's currently 0.000034. So here we are. So we have 34. Okay. And what we want to do is try to buy this at the current price, and then we will come back and then we will now sell off at a higher price. So actually, we're going to be looking at the second step. So the second step is actually at 0.00035. So that's what we are going to be selling this up. And then we're going to look at the, what I call the amount that is equivalent to that amount, because that's the same thing we are going to do. If we go back and check in the compare markets, okay, we'll see what the prices exactly are. Can you see here that in pound BTC is 0.009154, while in pound USDT is 0.009021, okay? So we are going to look for the exact profit margin that will give us what we're looking for. So if I go over, right, and just try to play this out to do a simulation, right? If I come here and then I try to buy, you can see that I try to buy pond BTC. What I'm going to get is 1616, right? So I'm going to copy that 1616. Let's copy that, and then let's say we're going to sell it, okay? And we want to sell it at what? 3.5, okay? Can you see this? Right, so if I now put in my 1616 here, so that means this is what I'm going to get. Great. So if I'm going to get this amount, I'm going to go over to BTC and see what the difference is. Okay. That's what's going to give me the amount I'm going to sell my USDT as. Okay. So let's go to this place and now check it out and see. Okay. So this is giving us 15.07. Don't forget, what we actually bought was 14.80. 804. So if you take a good look at that, that's like about 27 cents. So what I'm going to be looking for is a difference. When I'm going to be playing out the USDT leg, I'm going to be looking for a difference of 27 cents, just like what we have here. I hope that makes sense, right? Don't forget, we're looking for which particular, pair executes the fastest. And more importantly, which pair executes at a much more profitable rate. That's the bottom line, because we're here to make money. Okay, so let's get back into what we're doing. So we go back to Pond BTC. All right, so Pond BTC will carry out, since we have done the simulation right now, next off is for us to buy this. Okay, so we're just going to pick up 100%, as you can see here, take our screenshots, and then buy. I think we have bought it. I think we have we bought it? I think we have. We've got it. We got it. We got it. This was fast. This was fast. This was fast. Okay, so at this point, we have bought our Pond BTC. Next up is that we're going to set a sell limit for it. Okay, so next off, let's go to the sell tab, and then we're going to change this to 3.5. Okay, and then next off is that we're going to pick up the exact 100%. Oh my gosh, don't forget, we are just left with 16.14. 2 has actually gone for transfers, and then we take our screenshots. I'm going to copy this to see exactly how much it's going to give me. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and then go ahead and sell. Okay, good. So currently we're in the what's it called now? We're currently in the queue. So I'm going to go over to BTC just to quickly see what the difference is, because don't forget, it has gone down a bit. All right, so let me put that in there. Oh, still the same. We're good. We're good. So let's go over to Pond USDT and let's see whether it will be the same feat. I hope. Keep fingers crossed. Come on, let's go. This is exciting. This is exciting. So here we are on Pond USDT. So I'm going to buy. Don't forget, same amount, pick up the same thing. Good. Well, don't forget that the price of Pond USDT is slightly lower. Okay. So all we're looking for right now is a 27 cents difference. Okay. So now we're going to do this. Let's see. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. The exact price. Okay. We've picked up everything. Let's take our screenshots and let's buy. Is it going to give me the same feat? Is it going to perform the same feat? I think it did. Yippee. Oh my gosh. Yes, we got it bought. We got it bought. Now, next off is for us to set a sell limit. Okay. So for the sell limit, I'm going to now try and get my 27. Don't forget, we got to have 15.07, same amount. Okay. So let me put this at 9.2 and see whether that will give me that amount. Oh, not exactly. Let me put it at 9.3. Oops. Okay, no, that's not correct. That would be 9.25. No, that's too much. 9.21. Good. So this is it. 9.21. We're setting our sell limit to the same amount, 27 cents. Don't forget, that's what we're looking at. I'm going to pick up. Okay, I think we pick up everything. Did we pick up everything? Let me go back. That's going to give me 9.21. Okay, 9.21. I'll pick up 100%. I'll get the same results, and then I will go ahead and place my sell limit. Okay. Ooh, good. So now both of them are currently in the queue. I'm going to take a screenshot of everything. Now, of course, don't forget, we started BTC probably about 2-3 minutes ahead of time. So definitely we're going to see which one executes the fastest. I mean, if it's based on first comes, first serve, I expect, Pond BTC to get executed fast. But at this point, let's wait and see. But before I go, let's go and check how much we bought these things, okay? Because everything is all about making money, really. Okay, so I'm going to come back after a couple of hours and then be keeping my eyes open to see if I can do my boomerang strategy. Okay. So anyway, let's look at this. So pound BTC, we bought it as how much? We bought it at 0.000034. Okay. So if for any reason we don't get to sell this, maybe we'll have to do the boomerang strategy, but it has to even clock 3.5. Because if I'm going to sell this back, it might likely be at a loss. Okay, so let's look at pound USDT. We bought it as what? 904. Okay, so anyways, the match has started and we will be back with the results. See you shortly. Hello, I'm back. Now, can you see what my eyes are seeing here? Well, we've been on this match for a while, okay? And currently, pound BTC is still at 34. That is 0.00000034. But the price has increased a bit because now you can see it's in the green. It's at 0.009213. Wow. It has appreciated further than what we had yesterday. And if you look at pound USDT, it has also appreciated. Don't forget this was at 0.00904, right? And now it's 0.0091. Now, if you take a good look at the trades, let me open up everything so you can see this. Now, take a good look here at our pound USDT. Let me go to trade history so that you will see what we're talking about. So in trade history for the pound BTC, we bought it at 0.00034. So we're still there right now. But in terms of, the price that we bought the pound USDT, we bought it at 0.00904, right? And you can see we bought 14.80 and same price that we bought, the pound BTC. So currently the match is still on. We don't have a winner yet. But the only thing that I would do if it goes beyond such a long time, because this has been hours and hours right now, if I check, I would see how long this has been. This has been over 10 hours. This has been over 10 hours. I'm talking about even not over 12 hours, okay? I would say if by the time pound USDT gets to 0.0092, even if it doesn't even reach 0.00921, but it gets to 0.0092, I'm going to come back here and get it sold. So this is where we are. It's currently at 0.0091. Let's keep our fingers crossed. We don't know who's going to win. Anybody can win because even pound BTC is rising. As you can see, pound BTC is rising. It's 3.03% higher in the past 24 hours. Same here for the pound USDT. So it's actually a stiff one, but I'll be back to give you the results. See you shortly. Yeah, I'm back and I'm seeing that pound USDT is rising. But you know what? I'm scared that this is gonna go back. So I'm thinking, if I try, let's even cancel this. If I cancel this, or let me just play this out and see what we'll get. 1636.36, okay? 1636.36. I'm gonna get 14.97, and we started with 14.8. 14.8, like now I think I'm wasting time, right? But let's just calculate this, okay? This is 14.97 minus 14.804 actually. 17 cents, that's more than 1%. Do I want to go with this? Do I really want to go with this? Because if I go with this, I'm going to have to, sell back BTC and it will be obvious that USDT has won. We haven't actually gotten to the finish line, right? But because I know that once we can see a clear winner, I'm just ready to go for it. I don't want there to be a pullback because as you can see, the RSI is what's the size of the RSI? The RSI is getting to 56. It's moving up. Once it gets to 70, the tendency for it to come down is very imminent. So I think at this point, just by looking at these parameters, I can see that the RSI is 56, is going to 57. Wow, it's going up. It's going up. Do I just hold on? What do you think at this point? Nah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Okay, so let's just cancel this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and change this because I just want to go ahead and, okay, what do I get? 1, 14.97. Let's see if I can sell this. Oh, it's put me back in there. It's put me back in there. I'm going to cancel it. I am going to cancel this and do this one more time. One more time. One more time. Oh, but now if I want to get this sold, I need to do this one, which is lower, which is, 0.00914. Do I want to do that? Do I want to do that? How much am I going to lose? I'm going to lose 2 cents. Ooh, do I want to go for this? Because if I click on the 0.00915, I'm going to get 2 cents more. No, I'm not going to waste time. I'm just going to go ahead, put in everything, and go. Yes, we're going to get this sold. Clear winner. Clear winner. Yeah. So let's go see how much we have in USDT now. Wow. So what do we have? We've got 14.9414. Okay. So let's calculate that because this is our clear winner. Not that we actually got to the finish line because really this trade was almost, let's say 20 hours because we started this around almost about 19 hours ago. So I'm not going to waste too much time. What we wanted to get to was which one executed the fastest and which one is the most profitable, right? So we haven't finished. Oh, no. See what just happened. Oh, my God. I was too early, but no problem. That means that we should be able to get a better deal. See what happened? The price just rose up to 9198. I could have made an extra. Oh, no, my God. Is this what happened just now? I was too early. And I agree. I was scared. I was scared stiff. I was scared. I could have waited and gotten my 27 cents. But that's fine. This is what has happened. But because I know I don't own the market, I just had to decide on my feet. Okay. So I'm sorry I lost some money there. Even though I still made money. I made 14 cents. I could have made my 20 cents plus. But anyways, I'm going over. Oh my God, I feel so bad. Now let's go over. Let's go over to Pawn BTC. This one, obviously, I don't know how much we're going to make. But anyways, I'm just going to cancel this. And I'm just going to sell. Yes, let's sell and see. What have we made? We're making 1614. Okay. What did we put together here? It's going to be a loss. So that's going to be 0.0054876. Let me go to convert and see whether I can get a better deal. I don't know. Oh, sorry about that. We need to change our entire pond to this. So let's go to convert. It's going to have to be pond. Yeah. Wow, my energy has gone down. I'm sure you can see that. I feel so annoyed with myself. But that's fine. It's fine. Let me see what I'm going to get. It's going to be less. I'm not going to do this. 0.00529. No. All right, let's go back. Wow. Let me see if I get everything here. I'm going to get 54876. Okay. So what is this going to give me if I go and sell this? Okay. Let me just go and see whether if I try to sell this, what will I get? I don't know. Let me see. Oh, no. We're getting 14.62. Oh, that's the reason why. Okay, now I get it. If I change that, good. Let's go to the trade history again. Let's see what exactly we bought it as, okay? So we're going to see whether we're going to make money here. Don't forget the race is still on, even though I shortchanged us a bit. But it's fine. It's fine. Look at it. 549. How much did we buy it as? We bought it as straight. Wow, there's a change. There is going to be some money made here. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and do this. Come on. Well, I think I've gotten my ginger back, right? All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and do this. Go. Oh, we're in the queue. No, no, no. I don't want that. I don't want that. Oh no. See what happened again. See what happened again? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. I think we've gone down a bit. We've gone down a bit. We've gone down a bit. Well, this is it. This is what are we gonna do? Well, sold. Sold, sold, and sold. Okay, let's go back to BTC. I feel so annoyed with myself right now, but that's fine. Let's move on. We'll make decisions and we move on. 14. Oh yeah, because of let's go to convert. No, no, no. I'm not doing this here. I'm not doing this here. Let's go ahead and see what we're gonna get. Let's see what we can get. Oh no, it's really low. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna lose a lot of money if I try to do this. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, I mean, right now we've obviously seen who the winner is. The winner is Pond USDT that made us 14 cents. Could have made us over 20 cents, but I was in a hurry. I mean, I have waited, but would you say I'm in a hurry? I waited for over 20 hours. No, no, I don't think it's. Yes, I waited for over 19 hours. Is that being in a hurry? No. And I saw that there was some traction. I was thinking, should I wait? But I just told myself, I've seen this happen many times, when you wait. And then when you wait, and then all of a sudden, it dips. So I want to set a sell limit. That's just what I'm going to do. I am going to set a sell limit, and there really isn't anything I can do about that. I'm going to set a sell limit. Okay, so let me pick this. And then I'm going to change that to USDT. So what I want to do is pick up the max. And then I would go to the next. I'm just going to have to set a sell limit because this is all I'm not going to waste my time. Let me put this at 400 and let's see. Oh, it still is not funny. Let me see. Let me make this 600. We still won't meet up. We still wouldn't meet up. Oh no. Let me put this at 800. Nah. Let me put 850. All right. So I think this is it. This is how we're going to get our money back. I was too early. And I agree. But there's something that I want to check here. I want to go check whether I still have some pond there. I can see, the pond is really nothing. The pond is nothing. Nothing, nothing. What actually undid us was because this fell again. That was the reason why. It was at 3-4. But, I mean, in this situation, I just wanted to show you that, we had a great opportunity, right? To make a higher amount of 27, I think maybe 25 cents or so. But that didn't work out. And then when I went to the USDT, let me check what's happened to USDT again. Yes, you can see it has gone down. It has gone down. It just went up momentarily for that purpose. It went up momentarily for that purpose. And it fell down. I told you that this kind of things don't last. I told you. But if I was patient, probably like 5 minutes more, I could have made my entire 25 cents because this would have gone past it and it would have executed. So this is a clear winner. But I shortchanged myself. Okay? I shortchanged myself. But anyways, I'm just doing these things live for you to see the reality of what the trading world gives you, okay? You can never tell what will happen the next minute. Just like what I couldn't, I mean, this is just right before your eyes. I'm not making this up. This is exactly what happens right before your eyes. And I was hoping that I'll be able to at least get back my money on BTC, but somehow it didn't work out. So we made a profit in Pond USDT and we made a loss on Pond BTC. Oh no, I don't like that. But anyways, in some case you win some, in some case you lose some, right? But in all things, please let's make sure that we make profit. Probably if I had waited another 1 hour or few minutes more, I would have been able to make more money. And probably if I had waited a little bit more on the side of Pond BTC, I could have made some more money and I wouldn't have lost as much. But let's get back to convert, because I'm setting a sell limit, and that's where I'm going to end this particular, this particular battle of the peers. Okay, so I'm just going to put a sell limit, and I've seen it that the only way I can do this is by leaving it for it to appreciate, and that may take some time. But I'm not gonna toy along with it. But before I go ahead, let's check BTC the charts and see whether there's a tendency for this to break through. I saw it break through at a point. Yes, I saw it break through at a point. So I'm just going to just check this out and see, would this go up there or not? If it wouldn't, maybe I should just embrace my loss. 27,200. That's the most it's gone within the past 3-4 hours. Okay, but let me check one day. Well, what is the highest it has gone? Oh, it went to 28. It actually went to 28. So, I mean, if I leave this for another 24 hours, probably I'll make my money back. Okay. So I'm just going to end this here, and then we're going to go to convert. We already know the winner, right? So next off is that let's just close this deal, right? I'm just going to put that on. We're doing limit. I'm not doing outright sale. I'm doing limit. So what I'm going to do is put BTC here and then put USDT there. Put the max over here and then enter it and put 27,800. That was what gave me my money back. 850 I get. 27,850. I'm just going to wait and then let's see. Okay, let's put that there. See what it's going to give us. Yep, you can see here that we're going to get 14.81. At least I'll get my money back. That's the most important thing to me right now. I'm not being greedy. I just want to get my money back. So let's just place order. Let's place the order. All right, so right now the limit order has been placed. So I'm going to get my money back probably within a day or two, but I'm not going to lose that money. I ain't going to lose that money. I'm not going to lose that money. I am not going to lose my money. All right, let's get back to the winner. The winner is, drum rolls please. The winner is Pond USDT. That's the winner. It gave us how much? Let's go check how much it gave us. This is what? 14.94. Okay, so let me go and see what that is. 14.94. 14.94 minus 14.80. So it gave us 14 cents, which is 1%. Okay. I was planning to make like about 1.6%. But when I saw the situation of things, I wasn't sure whether there was going to be a pullback. And we saw it that actually there was a pullback, but I was a bit too early. I clicked on it. I went for it. I changed it. I bought it or sold it off too early. I should have waited for at least another 20 minutes, and this would have been a clear cut winner. But anyways, it's still a winner. All right, so let's crown it the winner of the battle today. Yes, Pond USDT is our winner. I hope you've learned something. This is just to show you that, you see, there are different pairs you can actually trade. You can trade fiats, you can trade TRY, you can trade BRL, you can trade GPP. Yeah, you can trade all manner of them. But I always like to choose, is it like to choose or choose to like? I always like to use USDT and BTC. For me, those are still the kings, okay? And it's easier, as we can see here now, even though at the beginning, we were able, I mean, we started out with Pond BTC and we were able to sell that immediately, instantly. We were able to buy it, right? The place where we had a hiccup was getting it sold for profit, and that's wasted our time. Yeah. And then eventually, when USDT ran up, I was scared because I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want what happened to me in 1925 to happen again. I'm sure you're wondering, 1925, were you born then? No, I wasn't. It's just a joke. You know, I don't want what happened to me some time ago. There was a time, right? I saw it. It was like going up, and I was like, no, 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 let me give it some time. It will go up higher. And that was on that trade for 4 days because I didn't make a choice immediately. So that's the reason why I'm a bit scared, and I don't want anything to keep me wasting time. So that was the reason why I went for this, okay? But now, right before my eyes, oh my gosh, see, right before my eyes, see what has happened. It's now 9:08. It's gone down. It's gone down. It's gone down. Anything can happen. I don't own the market, right? It ran along. Oh my gosh, there must have been an artificial pump. You can see that. There must have been an artificial pump. You can see, let me put it back at 1 hour. There must have been an artificial pump. That was what happened. But I was like, no, I don't want anything to keep me because it was just stalling. It was stalling. It was wasting time. And I said, okay, let's go. And then just as I changed it, within 2-3 minutes, it ran up. But that's fine. That's what we're here to learn. Okay, so this is spot trading where you hold the coin for a while, for a short while, and sell it to profits when the price appreciates. That's the main thing about spot trading. And I hope you've learned a lot from this. Okay, you've learned from my own little mistake I made today. And then, of course, you can always apply this. Ensure that, you take your time, study the market, look at the RSI. The RSI will tell you when it's getting very close. When I talk about the RSI is here. And the reason why I wasn't sure whether this was going to go on was because I needed to see the RSI was very close to the top, was already, I think, what was it? It was at 56. And I was like, I knew that if I don't take advantage of it, it's possible that it will just pull back and go down again. And you can see even from the history that it's been going down. It's been going down and it's been stalling at a particular point. Look at it. Look at this. Can you see the zone? Can you see how it is? It's just been going sideways, undecided. This portion is what you call a sideways movement. And it wasn't sure. Was it going to go down? Was it going to go up? Was it going to go down? Was it going to go up? It kept on doing this for like a couple of hours and hours and hours. So I was like, what would I do? I didn't want this to just waste our time. Okay? Because this is like about 20 hours after we placed the trade. Anyways, I think you've learned enough. Let's get out of this trade and let's get into another one. Thank you so much for watching. I'd like to know your comments. I'd like to know what you think about this trade. I'd like to know what your experiences have been, okay? Share with me in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, click on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Share with your friends. And please always go back to all our videos and watch more. We have so many. You can check our playlists, right? You can see we have trades on triangular arbitrage. We have trades on inter-exchange arbitrage. We have trades on, spot trading like I did today. And then we have educational content that teach you and train you on how to be a better trader in the cryptocurrency world. So please go back to our playlist and binge watch, like my friend said, and then learn all this great stuff. And you'll see that one way or the other, your trading experience will increase and, of course, improve. And if you want to learn more one-on-one with me, no problem. Click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.